Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Technology Deep Dive for Friday, May 16, 2025. Today we'll cover market moves in technology, communications, and healthcare indexes, stocks, and ETFs. I'm your host, Ira Roth. Let's dive in. Tech-related indexes closed higher today. The Nasdaq 100 leads with 5 consecutive up days and a strong positive trend, closing at 21,427.94, up 92.11. Notable strength in the healthcare sector, gaining 29.73 to 1,549.8. Market breadth shows significant strength. The Nasdaq 100 had 88 advances versus 12 declines. The Nasdaq Composite showed broad participation with 2,309 advances against 755 declines. The technology sector saw 586 advances versus 89 declines. Looking at returns, the technology sector leads week-to-date with an 8.1% gain. The Nasdaq Composite shows strong month-to-date performance, up 10.1%. However, the healthcare sector lags, down 5.4% month-to-date. Among top tech performers, Supermicrocomputer led with a 4.9% gain, showing strong upward volatility. Fiserv rose 4.7%, while Adobe gained 3%, marking its 5th consecutive up day. Week-to-date returns show Supermicrocomputer surging 44.3%. Dell Technologies has gained 19.1%, while Micron Technology is up 14.1%. Month-to-date, Supermicrocomputer maintains its lead at 44.9%. Among today's decliners, Applied Materials fell 5.2%, while First Solar dropped 4.1%. KLA declined 1.8%, despite maintaining a very strong positive trend. Despite today's declines, week-to-date returns remain positive for these stocks. First Solar is up 26.9%. KLA has gained 12.8%, and Broadcom shows a 9.8% increase. Nasdaq tracking ETFs showed mixed performance today. QQQ led the group with a 5-day winning streak, closing at 521.53. ProShares Ultra QQQ mirrored this strength with its own 5-day advance. Meanwhile, ProShares Ultra Short QQQ hit consecutive all-time lows, marking its 5th straight down day. Looking at returns, VanEck Semiconductor ETF outperformed with a week-to-date return of 10.3%. ProShares Ultra QQQ showed strong momentum with a 21% weekly gain, while its inverse counterpart ProShares Ultra Short QQQ declined nearly 19% for the week.
Looking at stocks and tech industries, I'm Sally Short. Alphabet gained 2.3 to 167.43 with a mixed positive trend. Microsoft rose for a third straight day to 454.27, showing a very strong positive trend. Apple declined for 3 consecutive days, closing at 211.25 with a mixed negative trend. Week-to-date returns show Alphabet up 8.4% and Microsoft gaining 3.5%. Month-to-date, Meta Platforms and Microsoft lead with returns of 16.6% and 14.9% respectively. Year-to-date, Apple and Alphabet show negative returns. Semiconductor stocks showed significant gains today. DataVault AI surged 14.9% to 0.90. Skywater Technology rose 9% to 8.89 with strong volatility. WiseKey International gained 7.1% to 5.84, marking its 2nd consecutive positive day. Week-to-date performance shows DataVault AI and WiseKey International leading with gains of 36.7% and 30.4% respectively. Month-to-date, WiseKey stands out with a 57% return, while Skywater Technology has gained 25.4%. Cloud computing stocks posted strong gains. Adobe rose 3% to $417.12. marking its fifth consecutive positive day. Okta and Zscaler both reached new one-year highs, gaining 2.3% and 2.2% respectively, with very strong positive trends. Month-to-date returns show Cloudflare leading with a 30.1% gain, followed by Dell Technologies at 24.4%. Year-to-date, Okta leads with a 61.5% return, while Cloudflare has gained 46%. In AI and robotics, iRobot led with an 8.3% gain to 3, though showing flat price movement over 6 days. Ambarella rose for an 8th consecutive day, gaining 1.4% to 63.51, with a strong positive trend. Month-to-date, Ambarella leads with a 32.3% gain, followed by Symbotic at 28.2%. Year-to-date, Vicarious Surgical shows the largest decline at -43.9%, while Symbotic has gained 16.7%. Leading the AI and robotics thematic ETFs today, Spear Alpha ETF advanced 1.2%, showing a strong positive trend. Robotics and AI and automation, Bulltwalks, and Robot Cs and automation both gained over 1% with improving trends. Weekly returns show Spear Alpha ETF and robotics and AI and automation, Bulltwalks, leading with gains over 12%. Month-to-date, Spear Alpha is up 22%, while AI and Innovation Fund has risen nearly 14%. In electric vehicle stocks, Polestar surged 8.3%, with an upward breakout after 3 days flat. Lucid gained 5.5% amid increased volatility. BYD reached a new all-time high, climbing 4.1%. Year-to-date performance shows BYD leading with a remarkable 64% gain. Rivian Automotive has advanced nearly 19%, while Polestar is up 11.4%. NIO and Lucid remain slightly negative for the year. Quantum computing stocks showed significant momentum today. Quantum computing soared 39.2%, while D-Wave Quantum jumped 11% to hit a one-year high. IonQ gained 7.5% amid strong positive trends. Month-to-date returns highlight quantum computing with a 91% surge and D-Wave Quantum up 77%. Rigetti Computing has gained 33%, while TE Connectivity shows steady growth at 12%. Solar stocks showed strong gains today, led by Spruce Power Holding, surging 20.9%. Shoals Technologies and SolarEdge Technologies advanced 6% and 5.6% respectively, both displaying strong positive trends. Month-to-date performance shows SolarEdge Technologies leading with an 80% gain, while Shoals Technologies has risen 34%. Canadian Solar is up 20%, showing consistent momentum with its strong positive trend. Among thematic ETFs, RKey Innovation ETF led the group with a 2.8% gain, closing at 58.32 with a strong upward trend. Global X FinTech ETF broke out from a 3-day consolidation, rising 1.7%. ARK FinTech Innovation ETF maintains a strong positive trend. Looking at returns, ARK Innovation and ARK FinTech Innovation show impressive week-to-date gains of 13.6% and 10.6% respectively. Month-to-date, these ETFs continue to outperform, with returns exceeding 14% each. Global X FinTech has posted a 9% month-to-date return.
And with that, we wrap up another end-of-day technology deep dive. I'm Ira Roth, along with my AI co-host Sally Short. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency, and commodities. Thanks for watching.